If you've ever wondered how other coaches are creating amazing nutrition coaching programs that are getting their clients amazing results, making a bunch of money, and creating raving fans that have nothing but good things to say, well then you're in luck, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own nutrition coaching program that is so good it sells itself. I'll show you how to structure your program, how to price your program, and show you exactly what you will deliver to get your clients amazing results. Let's get right into it, starting with step number 1, creating your program. The first step in creating a nutrition coaching program is to decide what result you will help people get and the type of person you'll help. Most coaches make a big mistake when they first start out by just simply offering one-on-one nutrition coaching. And if they talk about their coaching at all, mainly what they're describing is the features of the coaching, like individualized and customized plans, weekly check-ins, and other features that describe how you do what you do in your nutrition coaching business. But just by saying that you're a coach and showing people how you do what you do, that isn't enough to create demand around your services to the point where people are going to be hurling their credit cards at you. And that's because, and if you take anything away from this video, take this away. Your potential clients, they're not looking for nutrition coaching. They're seeking out a specific result that they want, like losing the beer gut or getting limitless energy. These are the things that people want, and they're willing to do nutrition coaching, but only if you can show them that your coaching has the path to results and why it's the best option for them. This is why instead of just offering nutrition coaching, you're creating a nutrition coaching program that's centered around an ideal and specific goal. You're creating a weight loss program or a muscle building program, because this is going to appeal to your clients' wants and desires much more, and stand out and separate yourself out from all the rest of the other nutrition coaches out there that are just offering nutrition coaching. And apart from the result that you help deliver, you also need to think about who this is for, because this is going to help with your program design, the marketing, and even the deliverables in your program, which we'll cover in a second. This is called niching down, and it's when you choose a specific type of person or demographic to serve in your coaching business. The best way to choose your niche is to think about who you are most interested in working with and who you know how to help, but also who is willing to pay for your service. And once you have all this information, the result that you deliver, and specifically who you help, who this person is, you can use this information to start structuring your program and decide on the actual deliverables you're going to offer in your program. But before we talk about structuring your program and what to include, let me give you a real life example of a result in a niche specific program. This is Dr. Mark Method grad Lindy, or as she's known on Instagram as the Desk Job Dietitian. She's a registered dietitian and nutrition coach. And instead of offering custom nutrition plans like so many nutrition coaches out there, she offers a weight loss program specifically for corporate women who work desk jobs. This is beneficial for several reasons. Let's talk about them. First off, Lindy becomes instantly magnetic to the women in her demographic because they know exactly that this program is for them. It also makes creating content easier because she knows exactly who she's speaking to and the types of things that they're interested in hearing about. Her content then attracts more clients because it's specific. It leads to more coaching applications and more overall sales. You need to get specific with this stuff. Good job, Lindy. Now that you've narrowed down who your program is for and what type of result that you're delivering, it's time to structure your program and what you're going to include to help your clients get the best results. Here's where you'll decide how to run your actual coaching program and what to include. First off, as a new coach, I would recommend that you do one-on-one coaching and not group coaching. This is because generally you can charge more per person, and as a new coach, you typically don't have that many people interested in your services yet. So it can be tough to pull off a group coaching program where you need numbers as well as a lot of experience to run it. But how exactly will you coach your clients? It can be really tempting to want to coach every client differently and customize everything. But what I recommend is taking a general structure that every client will follow and making small customizations within that when necessary. Why do this? Because you're setting up a program for a specific type of person and they're going to be similar. Think about Lindy working with corporate women with the same goal. Their plan will most likely look very similar, with similar obstacles that they're overcoming and different things that they need to address in order to get results. And this is one of the biggest benefits around creating a signature program. You have similar clients with similar goals. Your coaching can be systemized so that it's repeatable and reliable for each client. Then you can start customizing the things that actually matter within their plan, like calorie and macronutrient targets, different habits to follow and put in place. But when creating a nutrition coaching program, there are probably 3 things that you must include to make sure that your clients clients are getting a great experience and the results that they came for. And that is number one, a nutrition coaching check-in. This includes a weekly check-in with your clients to assess their progress, make any adjustments to their plan, and provide feedback with action steps. And number two, a personalized nutrition plan. We gotta get customized on this front. That is going to produce the best results. We're talking about customized calories and macronutrients, along with a way for them to track their nutrition for you to review. And number three, support. Beyond the weekly check-ins, how will your clients correspond with you? Will it be through text message or email or through a custom app? These are the must-haves in a nutrition coaching business. These three items alone are enough to get your clients results and create a thriving nutrition coaching business. And while we won't have time to go in depth on each one of these variables in this video, I can do you one better. I created a completely free 3-day nutrition coaching quick start challenge. It has all the templates, forms, and instructions to get your nutrition coaching started and to create all the elements we just discussed. For you to get instant access to that challenge, all you got to do is go to the first link in the description below. And you'll have everything you need to create your nutrition coaching program. Now, you may be thinking, this seems too simple, and I totally get it. But believe me, a simple coaching service is much better than all the bells and whistles and all the things that your clients just don't care about. Most new nutrition coaches feel the urge to add in more perks, more features, and more tech, and more things just to justify the price of their coaching program or to make it seem more desirable to the client, when in reality, potential clients only care about one thing, the result that they're after. And they would prefer to achieve their goals with minimal effort and doing less things. And this is why procedures like weight loss surgery or taking medications like Ozempic are so popular. They're quick and relatively easy to do. So do your best to keep your nutrition coaching simple and effective, and your clients will benefit even more from it. This will mean less stress on your end and better results for your clients and a better client experience. And as you work more clients through your program and you get more experience, you're going to see different scenarios, and then you can start adding in different components based on necessity, based on need. That's when you can start to add in extra elements like exercise routines or grocery guides or a community aspect like a Facebook group or a group chat or coaching software. And these are just a bunch of different examples. Now, don't add things in just for the sake of it or to justify the price. Do it because your clients have asked for it, or it will lead to even better results. Now that you have a better idea of what to include in your coaching service, let's talk about how to sell it, how to package and market your nutrition coaching service to make it completely irresistible to your potential clients. Now that you know who your program is for and what you're going to include, it's time to package it up and sell it to potential clients. First, your coaching program deserves a captivating name, because Mark's nutrition coaching program is boring sounding. Now, when you name your nutrition coaching program, you want to have at least one or ideally both of these components. Number one, the person you want to help. And number two, the result that they'll achieve. For example, if you're a coach who wants to help new moms lose the baby weight, you could call it the 90-Day Fit Mom Blueprint. Or if you're a coach who helps men that golf get in better shape so they can spend more time on the course, you could call your program the Lean Golf Program. While these names aren't revolutionary or even clever, they are clear. And a clear and straightforward program name helps your potential clients instantly connect to the program and understand what it's all about and the results that they can expect. And now, just like that, you have a signature coaching program. The last step to packaging up your nutrition coaching program and sending it out to the world is setting the price. Pricing your nutrition coaching can be daunting, especially when you notice that every coach out there is charging something wildly different. The most important thing to realize about pricing is that the better you are at getting the result that people are after, the more you can charge. However, I want to keep this simple for you and set a price based on your experience level. So if you're a complete beginner and you've been doing this under a year, start by charging $150 to $200 per month for your coaching. If you've been coaching more than a year and you've worked with more than 10 clients, you can confidently charge between $250 to $300 per month. And lastly, if you're an expert coach who's been doing this for a while, you have a large portfolio of client results, you can charge more than $350 per month per client. And there you have it, folks. You have your own signature nutrition coaching program that you can use to attract your ideal type of client, leading to more applications, to more sales, and better client results. Again, if you want the exact forms, instructions, templates to create your program, click on that first link in the description below, and you're going to get get instant access to my 3-day nutrition coaching quick start challenge. It's free and it'll give you absolutely everything you need. As great as all those tips are, if you're really serious about starting a nutrition coaching business, the next thing I'm gonna have you do is check out this video I've linked up right here. Next up, I'm gonna share with you a social media strategy that's gonna help you build up your following and sell more of your coaching. You can learn about it right here. So see you in the next video.